What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based advertising and marketing technique where a seller, usually an online one, compensates a website for each and every customer that the website refers. The website, usually called the affiliate, will only make money when their promo generates a purchase. There are generally 4 groups engaged in affiliate marketing. First, we have the affiliates, the promoters of the products or service. Second, we have the product developers, the makers of the product. Third, we have the networks, the platforms handling the affiliates. And fourth, we have the customers, the buyers of the product. You don't always have to have a network to be an affiliate. However, the other 3 groups, the affiliates, the product creators, and the customers, create the foundation of an affiliate program. Before I share with you how to start affiliate marketing step by step, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, make sure that you stay until the very end where I tell you exactly how much affiliates make and why making $500 a day might actually be better than making $5,000. Let's pretend you own and operate a well-known health blog that gets 100,000 hits each month, and a supplement business reaches out to you about advertising their supplements and vitamins on your website. As an affiliate, you'd put web links to their products all throughout your blog material. In this scenario, you'd get affiliate cash flow if a site visitor came to your blog and took an action, like clicking on the link, submitting a form, or making a purchase. We'll chat more about earning money at the end of this video. Meanwhile, here are some popular affiliate marketing models. First, we have pay per click, or PPC. The affiliate makes money for all clicks that were produced, whether or not a lead or sale took place. This is pretty uncommon since all of the risk is put on the merchant. Second, we have pay per lead, or PPL. The affiliate earns money for every single lead they produced. This might be a trial creation, an online document submission, or any pre-purchase. This model places a shared risk on both the product creator and the affiliate. And lastly, we have pay per sale, or PPS. The affiliate earns money for every single sale they brought in. This is the most popular model due to the fact that all the risk is placed on the affiliate. How to start affiliate marketing step by step. Number 1, decide on a platform and a specific niche. In order to be an affiliate, you must have influence on other people. Setting up a web page or blog that focuses on a niche is the very best way to create influence. Regardless of if you concentrate on health, finance, business, or even dogs, a niched website or blog will allow you to get influence and create an audience. Affiliate marketers develop audiences with blogs by using e-newsletters and even on YouTube or other social media platforms. Number 2, develop an audience. A big, involved audience is an extremely important asset for any website or blog. Having men and women who read through, watch, and interact with your material can help you produce affiliate cash flow. The greatest way to develop an audience is to initially figure out exactly who your target market is. And you can identify your target market by looking into your competitors, keeping an eye on your web traffic, and doing research by speaking with customers and subscribers. As soon as you develop this group of people, cultivate and grow your devoted online target audience with targeted material and emails. Provide your target audience a reason to check out and interact with your material, and they'll look for a reason to buy your suggested products. Number 3, enroll in an affiliate program. The very best way to begin affiliate marketing is by registering for an affiliate program like the Amazon Associates. Right after joining, you will get an affiliate web link which contains a one-of-a-kind ID. You can then apply this web link to your material. There are usually no upfront charges when signing up with an affiliate program. However, your variable recurring fees will rely on how you would like to market the products or services. For example, if you would like to run ads or outsource content, those expenses will definitely come from your own wallet. Number 4, select which products or services to advertise. Selecting the ideal product to market, collaborating with the appropriate business, cultivating relationships, and improving web content are all main aspects of succeeding at affiliate marketing. Pat Flynn, one of the leaders of making passive income by giving value to his audience, says that there are 2 essential guidelines when it concerns affiliate marketing. 1. Only endorse products as an affiliate that you're incredibly familiar with. If you are not comfortable with the product and do not believe it will really help your audience, then do not endorse it. And 2, never ever advise any individual to specifically purchase an item. Always suggest products according to your own prior experience. When it involves selecting the best products, the founder of an affiliate management agency, David Gonzalez, recommends that you need to consider these 3 elements when selecting a product to advertise. 1. Your target audience. Will the product be right for them and make them happy that you advertised it? 2. Product quality and value. Would you encourage your best friend to purchase it? And 3. Profitability. Does the deal have good payouts and high competitive conversions? After checking out these suggestions, do any products enter your mind? Step number 5. Develop amazing content that advertises your affiliate products. To find the most results with affiliate marketing, you have to develop authentic and exceptional material that markets your selected products. Create a blog post of your absolute favorite products. Make comparison graphs that go over the values of very similar items. Interview other customers and supporters of the products to show off a wide range of honest opinions. No matter what type of material you generate, make sure it includes genuine testimonials of your affiliate products. Stay clear of talking about and advertising products you have never used yourself. Number 6, optimize and track. Anytime your site visitor clicks your one-of-a-kind affiliate link, a cookie is placed in their web browser to monitor activities. The moment they make a qualified action, like a purchase or lead form entry, the seller has the ability to record this activity and connect it to the affiliate, which is you, so that they can make a payout. You should monitor your own affiliate material as well to find what has done well and what you can make improvements to and promote. Knowing what material resonates the most with your target audience will tell you what to concentrate on for other future affiliate marketing possibilities. Number 7, earn money. There are many different frameworks when it comes down to getting paid, which changes depending on the affiliate program's conditions. Commission payouts by the business are typically made each month, but this differs based on the affiliate program conditions. It might be a payment each week or a payment each month because of all the sales or leads you generated. You'll need to keep an eye on the payout framework when selecting an affiliate program to sign up with, which in the end is based on the end goals you have. You need to know the commission framework of the business or product developer. Are you wanting a commission per lead or a commission per sale that you generate? Are you wanting a reoccurring payment? Based on your objectives, this will impact what product you decide on, how you intend to advertise the item, in addition to how much resources and time you would like to invest. For example, if you decide to advertise your material with paid ads, then that's an expense you need to take into account. You will have to analyze just how much you've invested to advertise each piece of web content versus how much commission you're receiving for every referred purchase. Or if you have a website and blog, then you will need to pay for hosting. In this particular instance, this should be a fixed cost spread throughout all your referred sales. Before I tell you how much you can make from affiliate marketing, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell, because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to start affiliate marketing. You may be asking yourself, how much money are other established affiliates making? Established affiliates are the individuals that are doing the job full-time. The answer is, it depends. I have found top-notch affiliates that make around $100,000 each month. Generating income from affiliate marketing is much more about the profits than the actual revenue you're earning. An affiliate earning $5,000 a day could be in worse shape than an affiliate earning $500 per day. Maybe the guy earning $5,000 a day is having to spend most of his earnings on paid ads, whereas the guy earning $500 a day isn't having to spend anything. It all comes down to this. Prior to becoming an affiliate, you must line up your earning potential and your expectations. What sort of market or specific niche you work in depends a lot on how much money you would like to earn. If you concentrate on ads like Facebook or AdWords to advertise your affiliate products, the amount of money you spend is just as essential, if not more essential, as the amount of money you earn. Click the video on the screen to see how to use a marketing funnel to drive traffic and convert people into die-hard customers.